The biotech industry is so exciting because there are, simply in terms of jobs, there are so many opportunities.
I really wanted to help people, but I didn't want to be a nurse. I wanted to stick along the research and pharmaceutical line.
I wanted a more personalized learning environment. I didn't want a large lecture hall. I wanted something where I could learn a skill and to kind of translate that into a workplace. And I think biotech has really allowed me to do that.
In biotech, you can build your way up on a ladder. So you can start in at a low position, but then you can climb up.
Once you kind of scratch the surface of what biotechnology is, it really opens up into a wide variety of careers that you might not have even thought about.
You can go anywhere with this degree.
Biotech is the science of using cells or animals or plants to make products that are good for supporting either the environment or our agricultural industries or health, pharmaceuticals and medicine and so forth. The Biotech program strives to meet the needs of our diverse population of students. We offer a variety of credentials to meet your academic and professional goals and to fit your lifestyle. Looking to get into a job quickly? Our Biotech Lab Support Assistant Technical Diploma is just 9 credits and can be completed in as little as 1 semester. If you are pursuing our associate's degree, you're prepared to enter the workforce or continue a 4-year degree at a number of universities in a range of majors. If you already have a bachelor's degree and want to add some technical skills, we have 2 post-baccalaureate certificate options. And we also offer a stem cell technology certificate in the evening for individuals looking for extra professional development. All of our curriculum is very lab-based and approved by our industry advisory board to be focused on the skills our biotech industry needs most.
The biotechnology program is going to provide you with both hands-on skills and scientific background in working in the biotech field. So you're able to apply those skills across a wide range of industries. The regenerative medicine field, drug development, food testing centers, environmental science, and so forth.
If you want to be a microbiologist, there's microbiologist jobs. If you love cell culture, there's great Madison area companies that do cell culture. Molecular biology, if you want to go work at the university, that's what's great about this program. They teach all those laboratory techniques. They're in high demand right now.
That is the beauty of the program. It allows you to explore all of the different options that you have with biotechnology.
There are so many different jobs, and when you start in your career, you're not locked into one particular path. So you may decide down the road, and our students have, you want to work more with project management, or you want to work in research and development, or maybe you want to work in marketing or HR. And the skills and the knowledge and experience that comes out of the opportunities in this program set students up for success. And our students have pursued so many different career paths in this industry over the 30 plus years this program's been in existence.
And I think Madison College is a great base because it teaches you laboratory techniques, things to expect in industry.
So our students learn current job skills and are ready for the job market.
There's so much diversity. You can use those skills that you learned in the biotechnology program for any career path.
The biotechnology program has established transfer agreements with 4-year institutions in the area. And so about 90% of the credits you're earning here can be transferred to other universities.
One difference that makes our students and graduates stand out is that they get in the lab from day one.
We were actually in the laboratory doing hands-on work, which makes you that much more prepared for the workplace.
Given our small class sizes and our facilities, we are able to train our students using modern equipment and software that is found in industry labs. So when our students graduate, they are ready to go from day one.
The Madison College labs are actually very well equipped and sometimes even better than the industry ones in terms of the quality of equipment, in terms of the way it's taught. The equipment's very easy to understand, whereas in industry, generally it takes a little bit longer to have that learning curve because equipment's different, it's older. But with Madison College, a lot of the equipment's very streamlined. That way you get the desired result that you would like to receive.
The faculty in this program really want to know you personally so that they can help you with all of your career and life aspirations.
There was always an academic voice around who I could talk to. There was always a professor who had office hours I could reach out to.
The faculty are your advisors. You know your professors, you know them on a personal level because classes are small and that makes it really easy to get to know them. And with that, they can tell you, hey, you should really take this class instead of this class. They will push you on your journey to get through it better.
All of the advisors in terms of scheduling courses really made things a lot less stressful. Honestly, I think that was the highlight of the program. The amount of emotional and just academic intelligence that was on display, that was a major thing for me, and I noticed that immediately when I came here.
The faculty here, they are very supportive. They are like another friend, a shoulder to cry on if you want, to bring all your problems to. They'll listen to you, and then if it's a problem with your class, they'll work around it.
The support in the community really kind of came into effect in my classes. Having that small class size meant I could, be in study groups with different students, have one-on-one time with the professor, which I think, especially in a science field, is very important.
We are really interested in having students make the most of the time they spend in lab with us. And they also have the ability to interact with faculty and staff that have a lot of experience under their belt, both in industry and working within the program to best serve our students.
The professors are just amazing.
One of the things that I think is amazing about the biotech program is the volume of connections that we have with industry and also with our high school community partners. And those connections really pay dividends to our students. So our students are able to get jobs as students and internship opportunities, which place them well in the industry. And they also get to work in brand new state-of-the-art facilities with equipment that students rarely get to touch outside of a program like ours.
The biotech program here at MATC has one of the best sets of connections of any school that I've known, and that's really led me to my current position and the promotions that I'm seeing.
I would recommend the biotech program to anyone with a passion for science who wants to learn how to apply it, even if they're unsure of which career pathway they want to take.
The worst case scenario is that it leads you to success elsewhere. Best case scenario, you go through the program and you get into biotechnology and you're helping the world.
I think that's where Madison College really succeeds, is making sure that your processes are nailed down. You are a well-rounded individual, so that when you go out into the workforce, you are ready to succeed.
What's the biotech program? I was like, I can't keep this short and sweet.